Alfa Romeo, one of the most iconic car brands in the world. If you've ever dreamed of owning one, you've probably heard all kinds of opinions. Some say they're unreliable, while others swear by their performance and charm. But what's the truth? Are they worth the investment? Based on my personal experience, I'll break down everything you need to know about owning an Alfa Romeo. From the best models to the major pitfalls, this is your ultimate guide. Top Alfa Romeo models to consider. If you're in the market for an Alfa Romeo, these are some of the best options to look at. Alfa 159, a solid choice with great design and engineering. Alfa 156, one of the best classic models, offering both style and reliability. Alfa 4C, a stunning sports car for those who want performance and uniqueness. Giulia, a modern Alfa with German-level build quality and thrilling driving dynamics. Stelvio, a high-performance SUV that brings Italian flair to the segment. The newer the Alfa, the better the engineering. If you're looking for the best balance of reliability and fun, the last-generation Alfa 156 or the Alfa 159 are excellent choices. Newer models have also improved significantly. The reliability factor. One of the biggest concerns about Alfa Romeos is reliability. The real turning point came in 2006. After this year, Alfa Romeo improved its build quality and electronics to near German levels. While small issues may arise, they're rarely catastrophic. Regular servicing will keep these cars running smoothly. Engineering and maintenance. Contrary to popular belief, modern Alfa Romeos are not overly complex to maintain. If you're comfortable with standard tools like sockets, spanners, and Allen keys, basic maintenance isn't too challenging. Here's what you need to know. Routine maintenance. Oil changes, brake pad replacements, and fluid top-ups are straightforward. Common issues. Some minor quirks exist, such as sensitive brake light circuits and occasional fuel gauge errors. However, these can be easily managed. Cooling system maintenance, using K-seal treatment annually, helps prevent head gasket damage. Oil additives, using MBL8 molybdenum copper additive every third oil change keeps the engine running smoothly. Major pitfalls to avoid. 1. Never buy an Alfa with Celespeed transmission. This is the single most important rule. The Celespeed automated manual transmission is notorious for its high failure rate and insanely expensive repairs. Even though it's based on Ferrari's system, it doesn't hold up well in an Alfa. If you're buying an Alfa, get a manual transmission. It's the best way to enjoy the driving experience and avoid costly issues. 2. Owning an Alfa requires care and attention. Unlike a Toyota or Honda, an Alfa Romeo demands regular checkups. Owning one means checking the oil and coolant levels frequently, inspecting for minor issues and addressing them early, cleaning and maintaining it regularly to keep it in top shape. If you're willing to stay on top of maintenance, an Alfa Romeo can be surprisingly affordable and reliable. Thanks to online communities, you can always find guidance and solutions for any problems. 3rd, timing belt changes on V6 models. One of the most crucial maintenance tasks for V6 Alfa Romeos is the cam belt replacement. This needs to be done every 100,000 kilometers, but it's a necessary investment to keep the engine running properly. In New Zealand, this costs around $1,200, but you can often find better deals. If you're looking for a lower maintenance option, the Alfa 159 2.2-liter engine is a great choice. It has a cam chain instead of a cam bolt, meaning less frequent servicing, usually every 250,000 kilometers. Why Alfa Romeos are special. To truly appreciate Alfa Romeo, you need to understand its heritage. The brand is a contemporary of Mercedes-Benz, Ferrari, Bentley, and Rolls-Royce. However, unlike these luxury brands, Alfa Romeo offers affordable high-performance cars. The Mito and Giulietta provide a luxury experience at a reasonable price. The Giulia Quadrifoglio is essentially a Ferrari-powered sports sedan. The Stelvio SUV, while not my personal favorite, competes with high-end European SUVs. Alfa Romeos are also rare. Most models are not mass-produced, making them unique compared to mainstream cars. They offer luxury, style, and performance at a fraction of the cost of their German counterparts. So, is owning an Alfa Romeo worth it? Absolutely, if you know what you're getting into. If you're passionate about cars and willing to put in a little effort, an Alfa Romeo can be one of the most rewarding vehicles to own. If you found this video informative, then don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more amazing content. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in our next video.
Hey, automotive enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the heart of automotive excellence as we explore the best Toyota engines that have left an indelible mark on the industry. From the legendary 2JZ GTE to the nimble 3S GTE, we've got an exciting journey ahead. So buckle up and join us as we unravel the engineering marvels that power some of the most iconic rides on the road. Number 5, Toyota 2JZ GTE 3.0 L-Twin Turbo Inline 6. The 2JZ GTE is an automotive legend, powering the iconic Toyota Supra. Known for its robust construction, the inline-6 configuration provides a smooth power delivery. Enthusiasts admire its durability, making it a favorite for high-performance modifications. The twin-turbo setup contributes to its impressive power potential, making it a staple in the tuning community. Its legacy extends beyond its original production years, with many still seeking vehicles equipped with this engine for various applications, including drifting and drag racing. Number 4, Toyota 3S GTE 2.0L turbocharged inline 4. The 3S GTE is a compact powerhouse featured in models like the Celica and MR2. Despite its smaller displacement, this turbocharged inline 4 engine punches above its weight, delivering strong power output. It earned its stripes in rally racing, showcasing both reliability and performance. The 3S GTE has become a favorite for enthusiasts who appreciate a balance of power and agility in a lightweight package. Number 3, Toyota 1JZ GTE 2.0 turbocharged inline 6. Similar to the 2JZ GTE, the 1JZ GTE is renowned for its performance capabilities. It's often found in the Toyota Chaser and Mark II in Japan. Its combination of a relatively small displacement and a turbocharger results in a potent power plant. Number 2, Toyota 2 GR-V 3.5L V6. Moving into the realm of modern V6 engines, the 2 GR-V has powered a variety of Toyota and Lexus models. This engine is praised for its smooth performance and efficiency, striking a balance between power and fuel economy. Commonly found in vehicles like the Camry, Avalon, and Lexus RX, the 2 GR-V showcases Toyota's commitment to delivering reliable and refined power plants. Its technological advancements, such as dual VVT-i, contribute to its widespread adoption in both mainstream and luxury vehicles. Number 1, Toyota 1UZ FE 4.0 LV8. The 1UZ is a V8 engine that found fame in the Lexus LS400. Despite being an older design, its reputation for refinement, smooth power delivery, and reliability persists. Enthusiasts appreciate the 1UZ FAE for engine swap projects, breathing new life into a variety of platforms. The sound and character of this V8, coupled with its adaptability, make it a sought-after choice for those seeking a balance between performance and elegance. And that concludes our deep dive into the best Toyota engines. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button and share it with your fellow gearheads. Subscribe to our channel for more exciting automotive content. Which Toyota engine is your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for riding along with us. Until next time, drive safe and may the road ahead be full of horsepower and adventure. See you in the next video.